So this records what?
So it records what we see.
Oh, okay.
So we're just going to warm up the car a little bit.
Okay.
Starting first lap.
So you're doing 125 and you didn't even know it, right?
Yeah.
I mean, it's, yeah. But if you don't like it, we'll go slower. This is just getting warm. You know, if you say, I don't want to do this, just tell me.
Okay, I'm okay right now.
So you want to hit the apex a little early right here, right before the cone. And then... So now get on the gas. A little bit. But see how a street car can kind of handle it's like a race car, you know? I mean, just think what it'd be like in a race car. It'd be even worse than this. So this is the hardest turn. It pushes to the left out here, but you want to use up all the drag, right? And then, sorry. Yeah, that was a little, I shouldn't go on the curb like that.
154.96.
See, that's like, well, anyway, it's
What is
okay. Is it too fast?
I'm good.
Okay.
Oh, so that was lap 1. When
Huh?
it said, that was the lap. When it
Yeah.
said 154.
See, 130 that time. A little bit faster. See, it grips so good. Now you just get on the gas. And then brake. Hit the apex right here.
So sometimes you have a coach.
Sometimes what?
Have you ever had a coach?
Yeah, when I got the race car, I had a coach. And you know, the same rules apply to this car. It's just a little slower, this one, than the race car.
But we're not going to flip over, right?
No, hell no. No, the car won't do that. It's got controls. It's a smart car, so it'll brake or cut engine power to stop that. And plus, you can tell it's not going anywhere, right? Oh, see, that's pretty good. Okay. So we can stop if you want.
Okay.
Let's stop. Okay? Because I know it's a lot. Right?